If you're in a position where you've started to explore your decisions about having your teeth straightened, I'm here to tell you a story about Sarah, a patient who came to see us 6 months ago. She wanted to have her teeth straightened, having seen her regular dentist, who was unable to take her impressions or scan because her mouth was too small. Being without options, Sarah found us and found our open Smile Week and came to see myself and our team to see how we could help restore her smile. 4 months ago, we were able to take a full digital scan of her lower jaw. Granted, it was difficult because she has a very small mouth, but that wasn't the issue. The issue was just time and patience in getting that scan as accurate as we could. Over the period of 4 months, with minimal amounts of pain and relative ease of treatment, we were able to get her teeth nice and straight. So Sarah, you've spent 4 months straightening your teeth, and we've just taken all the buttons off your teeth to get them nice and smooth and polished. And we've also leveled and aligned all the front teeth by adding a bit of filing, a bit of bonding to the edges, just to make them look that much more perfect. Would you be so kind as to have a look at your new smile with this mirror?
Oh, they look brilliant. No more nothing but beauty.
Do you like them?
Yeah, they're brilliant.
So that's 4 months worth of treatment, Sarah.
Yeah.
And how was the journey for you? How was it?
Really good, really straightforward. Felt comfortable coming in and having the appointments and stuff. Yeah, it was easy.
If this sounds like it could be you, give us a call on 01252 877 309 or visit our website at www.confidentalsmiles.co.uk, and we'll be happy to help you with your smile.